This tutorial is over how to look at your planner in DegreeWorks. DegreeWorks is an unofficial degree audit and can be a very useful tool for you to use when planning your future semesters and seeing what classes and requirements you still need to graduate. For this tutorial, we will be looking at your planner. When DegreeWorks opens, you will be able to see your worksheet. On the left side, beside Worksheets, you will see Planner. When you click on Planner, you will see your worksheet on the left and your planner on the right. This is where you can plan out classes for future semesters. You can also run a what-if scenario in the planner if you are thinking of changing your major or adding a minor or concentration and want to get a feel for future coursework. You can see a plan to take English 1102 in spring 2021 is already listed. Scroll down to Area D and you will see that you still have requirements in this area. We want to take a science with a lab in the spring as well as a math. All you have to do is grab a class on the left and drag it over to the right. Let's take Biology 1100 and the lab. Now let's take Math 1401. You can see that your total credits for this semester are now at 10 hours. Let's choose 3 more hours. Scroll down to Area F and choose Economics 2105. Your total credits are now at 13 and you can save your plan. Please remember that this is just a plan. This does not register you for any of these classes, and it does not mean that these particular classes will be offered during that particular semester. Always consult with your advisor when planning your schedule. But this does allow you to get an idea of how much work you have left and how to space out future classes. That's all for this tutorial.